Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, sunroof package, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.